Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make jackfruit sorbet. This easy method uses just a few simple ingredients to create a wonderfully refreshing dessert. You'll be amazed at how quickly you can whip up this tropical treat, perfect for a warm day or a light, healthy indulgence. We'll go through each step, from preparing the fruit to freezing, ensuring you get a perfectly scoopable sorbet every time. Get ready to enjoy a burst of natural sweetness. For this easy jackfruit sorbet, you'll only need 3 main ingredients. First, gather about 250 grams of ripe jackfruit flesh, with the seeds removed. Next, grab 1 ripe banana. Freezing it beforehand helps with the sorbet's texture. Finally, you'll need the fresh juice from 3 limes. These simple components combine to create a vibrant and naturally sweet dessert that everyone will love. Preparing your sorbet is incredibly straightforward. Begin by ensuring your ripe jackfruit pods are free of seeds and any tough core pieces. Then, simply add the prepared jackfruit, your frozen banana slices, and the fresh juice from the 3 limes into a high-speed blender. Blend these ingredients until they are thoroughly combined and achieve a perfectly smooth, creamy consistency. This step is crucial for that delightful sorbet texture. Once blended, pour your smooth jackfruit mixture into a shallow, freezer-safe container. Cover it tightly and place it in the freezer for at least 3 to 4 hours, or until it's firm enough to scoop. When you're ready to enjoy, take the sorbet out of the freezer and let it sit at room temperature for about 10 to 15 minutes. This brief thaw makes it perfectly scoopable. Serve it immediately for a refreshing, naturally sweet treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.